What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jaguar XJ smart key remote fob. This will be one of the options for a key fob. These years of Jaguar XJ can use a couple different key fobs, but the key fob we're looking at here is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do in order to change the battery is grab our key fob, and I'm going to slide this metal piece right here up just a little bit. So you can see it slides about that far up, and then it'll pull off of there like that. Then we have our emergency key right here in this holder. Go ahead and pull your emergency key out of the holder, and then we're going to use the emergency key to open the key fob case. If your emergency key is missing, you'll just need to grab a flathead screwdriver or something similar. So I'm going to put my key in that slot like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in there, and then just pry up, and it pops the two halves apart. Once we pull these apart, we see our battery right here, and the battery will just slide out of that holder like that. And I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you install your new battery with the plus side up. Slide it in that holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. So line everything up and then snap it down. Then I'll grab my emergency key and put that back in its holder. And then we'll put this metal piece on. So this metal piece will push on there and then slide down just a little bit to lock into place. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.